Last episode, we cut out the shapes, baked the cookies, drew out the black outlines for the chocolate, filled them in. In this episode, we're going to try doing it without the black outline. Welcome back to Nickel and Dime DIY. I'm Triple M. Grinch Cookie Saga continues. If you didn't watch part 1, I suggest you do that now, so you can get these snazzy templates to follow along. We're going to jump right in right where we left off. Here we go! Alright, so I'm using the bright white melting chocolate. I printed out the templates I made and I covered them in wax paper if you're just joining us now. And I'm just trying to fill in the best I can. The last episode I did a black outline in chocolate and connected everything together with that. I'm going to try without doing the black outline to see if it makes a difference. See if it looks better. But just filling in all the white parts. And you just take a toothpick or a pin and spread it out the best you can to fit in. Cindy Lou Who. Tiny little eyes, collar and cuffs. So now I got the pink, fill in her pajamas. And it's going much quicker without doing the outline, that's for sure. Now we got the red. See, I put it in the fridge for a few minutes, let it set, and then brought it back out. Now I'm filling in the red. Don't be a Grinch. Hit that like button. Now I'm just filling in the red. I want to try to connect everything together so there's no air bubbles, and so it's stronger. Here we go. This is definitely going much quicker. If it's going to turn out as good as the outlines, I don't know. Time will tell when I have to get these off the wax paper. That's going to be fun. Just filling it in. Trying to push it closer to the white so it's all connected. Like I said, you can take a toothpick or a pin, and I'm just trying to spread it out the best I can. Now it's time for Cindy Lou Who's Christmas ball. This one's a little more challenging because she's so small. But this is definitely going much quicker. It seems easier without having to work filling the outline. And I'm just going to take a toothpick and spread it out the best I can to cover most of the template. Just connect everything. Yeah, like I said in their first episode, you gotta have a lot of patience for this. But it can be relaxing. Alright. Now, this is gonna be interesting. I don't know what this is gonna look like. I don't know, I'm just trying to fill in. I guess my best bet is to maybe just fill in the whole thing green. I'm already not liking the way this is coming out. I'll have to just see. Just bite the bullet. I don't know if there's like fur here, if this is gonna turn out any good. Definitely not liking this. I mean, it could be okay, but I don't know. Just gonna keep filling it in with the toothpick. Can't all be home runs. Hope for the best, expect the worst. Alright. Yeah, you should really tape this down so it doesn't slide like that on you. This one's I'm already not feeling it on this one. I'm gonna spread in the yellow of the eyes. Hopefully I'll get it. And maybe it'll be one of those things where it looks bad in the beginning. Now, Cindy Lou's hair. Alright, there we go with the toothpick. I shouldn't have made all these details, but you get the idea. Alright, that wasn't so bad. It's definitely much quicker this way. If it's gonna be much better, who knows? We'll find out. Filling in the face. I just took some white melting chocolate and a couple drops of brown. Got a little tan color for her face. There we go. Just spread it around. It is faster without the outline, but I have to see the finished product to see which one I like better. Just spread it around. Just trying to get everything connected. A little dab of blue for the eyes. These are looking alright. Yeah, I'm kind of liking these eyes. I'm going to do the bow here. Probably not a good idea because it's so small. Probably should have waited, but what are you going to do? It's all this detail work. Moment of truth. Will they come off the wax paper, or did I just waste my time? Alright, hold your breath. So far, so good. A little bit of the outline, that's alright. There we go. A little more of the outline. Not liking this. Alright, got it under. Good, good. Good. Oh, it's shifting. No. No! Okay. We can fix this. I had a feeling this was gonna happen. No! Cindy Lou looks like she got hit by a train. Wow. Okay, maybe I'll get lucky with this one. Join me next time, see if I can salvage this hot mess. Find out if the outlining was worth it. The answer will surprise you.